Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are well. So today I will show a startup event from Gateio Exchanger. So let's start. So now I'm in Gateio Exchanger. For joining a startup, at first login or signing Gateio account. Then after signing or logging in, simply click on it. Then there are a startup in the second option. Simply click on a startup. After clicking on startup, you will come in this page. So this is my today topic. Its name is Kite AI, and in ongoing time there are also many startup in progress time. So you can also join LTD token startup. You can also join Domas AI startup. So at first, now I will join this Kite AI startup. So for joining, simply click on it. After clicking on it, you will come in this page. Its founder is John Doe. So for subscribe a startup, simply click 0 free to claim. After clicking on it, you will come in this page. From here, simply click I have read and agreed. So after clicking on it, simply click 0 free to claim. Then your subscribe has been successfully done. Congratulations, you subscribed the project successfully. Like that, in ongoing time there are another two startup. Everyone fast join the startups and gain a good reward. Thank you so much for watching my video.